Look at what my little spider did. Look at this. So my little spider just got habitated into this big thing. Can't really see. It's nighttime. I keep it pretty quiet. So I flash this giant flashlight, and I notice that he's totally blocked off where his little hole is. You can see the little log. A little tiny little thing, like the size of a quarter. And I look back here. I don't know if you guys can see him. There he is. Look at him. That little guy. That little giant pound of dirt. I've never seen a spider do that before. I don't know if I can get a better thing of him. Ah. Mr. Cuddles. Yeah, it's a salmon birding tarantula. So flashing this big flashlight at him. He's like, fuck you. Gotta keep an eye on him.